Alright fam, Coach Jason here, and I am back with another video training. So in this one, like we mentioned, we're going to be focusing on one. And let's go ahead and pull it up right here so you guys can see it. Now we're going to start with asthma. And let me be clear, right? Sometimes these diseases result from multiple times that you violated this law. Now I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm going to look at one law to one disease. So let's start with asthma. Now if you look at the screen here, you're going to be looking to the far left. I hope that is left, right? Because the last one was like back and forth. Now anyways, you're going to be looking at the far left. We have asthma. Now on the far right, we have pure air. How does this whole thing come together? So let's break it up. So pure air, we are talking about unadulterated air, unpolluted air, if we want to use all of those words. Now, how do we violate this? So let's say instead of breathing in pure air, we sit in an office all day, then we go home and we sit in the AC. Or we sit in an office, we live in a city where there is constant exhaust, pollution, and we never get a chance to breathe pure air, either by putting plants in our home or taking a trip to the countryside or an area like the beach where the air is generally pure. From constantly living in this, we are going to be violating this law, which is called pure air. Now, that is going to cause inflammation in our respiratory system. It's going to close our passageways, and that is going to result in what? Difficulty breathing. Now, in an effort for the system to try and get more air in, the result, we have a condition here, a system freeze is about to take place. What does the system do? You have that wheezing effect. Your system is now trying to force that air inside of your body. Now, if you do not make the correction, this continues until it develops into full-blown asthma. Now, here is a caveat. You do not have to get to the full-blown disease. The conditions are like warnings on your dashboard telling you, hey, something is wrong, make the correction. Once you make the correction, then you will never get to the full-blown disease. However, when you persist, the system continues to free, it cannot do anymore, you develop that full-blown disease, in this case, asthma. Now, in our next training, we're going to be looking at hypertension, which is a really big one, and I want you to stay tuned for this. Now, I'm trying to keep all of these videos nice and short so that you can just get the main information and go from there. See you in that training.